Hi guys on YouTube. I thought I'd show you the second interspin after it had done all its balancing, and it is finally now spinning. I'm also going to continue to film because I want to show you the final rinse. We got 22 minutes left on the clock, and yeah, I really like my candy. I think my candy is a good washing machine. It's had to deal with some tough stains in the past, but I'm pleased to say that my small tablets have done the trick, and yeah, I'm pretty happy. Okay, so we're just coming down now from second interspin, and we're about to do final rinse, and then I will record the main part of final spin once it's got balanced. Okay, we're now filling for final rinse. There's no softener because I use small tablets, and I've decided that they still fresh enough as it is without softener, but one day I might get some softener again. I used to use the Knorr Sleep Sensations and also the Knorr Summer Breeze. Okay, it will be doing another top up soon. Can you see rinse's water? It hasn't filled too high today, but if there was a bit of load there in there, for example, it might have filled a bit higher than that. And we have 20 minutes on the clock. Anyway, guys, I'm going to switch off now, and I shall be back for the final spin at 1000 RPM. Bye bye.